All right, Sarah. So it's a little warm outside. You know, it's going to be actually pretty warm for the next couple of days as you get ready to wrap up February and head into early March. March begins this weekend, and it already feels like spring. And also, something to keep in mind, look up to the sky. Saturday night, you'll be able to see 6 different planets lining up almost in a diagonal line around sunset. So anywhere between like 7 and 9 p.m., you'll be able to see all 6 of these planets in the southern southwestern sky just after sunset. You'll be able to see Jupiter all night long, but if you want to see all 6 across the night sky, it'll be after sunset Saturday night, February 28th. And here's kind of some details on that. Mainly 1 to 2 hours after sunset. Look towards the western southwestern sky. You will need a telescope to see Neptune, for example, but not Jupiter or Saturn. You will be able to see that with your naked eye. But of course, a telescope certainly helps, especially if the moon is bright. It'll be about 91%. Also, if there's any cloud cover, that could obstruct some visibility, but it should be mostly clear Saturday night here in San Antonio. Speaking of, we have some high-level clouds around. Nothing that's generating any rain. It's mostly dry out there, and temperatures are warm. Our normal high this time of year is 69 to 70. We're already at 74, 75. It's warm, and it's going to be hot today. 80 at Pearsall right now, jumping to 83 in George West. We're going to continue to climb. Matter of fact, here's the hour by hour through 3 and 4 o'clock. I think we hit about 88 degrees today, but there will be several areas across south central Texas along the Rio Grande that do climb into the lower to middle 90s later today. Now, it's going to get hotter tomorrow just before a cold front moves in. It's not going to be a powerful one, but look at this. Forecast high for Thursday, 91 in San Antonio, and that means middle to upper 90s along the Rio Grande, and then mid 80s through early next week, but our normal high again is about 70. So we're trending 10 to 20 degrees above average for like the next 5 to 10 days. It's incredible as we head into early March. So timing out this cold front tomorrow afternoon, wind speeds will start to increase in speed, 10 to 20 miles per hour today, upper 80s, lower 90s, really, really hot for late February. Tomorrow morning, a light chill on the air, nothing cold though. Thursday afternoon, still pretty warm. Cold front drops in, and I think you'll notice, you know, like Friday morning, a smidge cooler, but nothing too impressive. But that wind speed, that drier air behind the front will elevate our fire concern. Next weather change is a deepening area of low pressure by next Monday, next Tuesday. What that could do for us is change up the pattern. Matter of fact, the Long Range Prediction Center looks at about above average rainfall into Tuesday and Wednesday next week. So things are going to change, and the chance for storms is returning for the early part of March. Let's talk about it on your 14-day forecast. Mid 80s today, lower 90s tomorrow. This weekend, sunny with some morning cloud cover, but afternoon sunshine. And the next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, some isolated rain chances and a few storms possible as March begins on Sunday.